Welcome to another video tutorial. This video is especially for those students who are going to find international scholarship for their PhD or master degree. In this video, I will cover all those questions which are asked by fresh students to get any international scholarship, especially in UK, USA or other European countries. So let's jump into the computer screen and let me show you that how we can find those scholarships and what are those documents which are required to submit formal application in the university and what are those documents which are required only at initial screening. The first question which is often asked by many students is where to find scholarship or how to find scholarship. And the second question, what are those documents which are required at initial screening to apply for studentship in Europe, USA and UK. And the third important question, what are those documents which are required to submit formal application to the universities? So the answer to the first question can be achieved through two ways. The first one, the best way according to me to find scholarship is Twitter. And the second way is through the website. As you know, there are many websites which often post many opportunities of scholarships abroad. So among them, these websites like scholarshipscorner.com, agristock.net, similarly IE funding, similarly like internationalscholarship.com and scholarshipposition.com. You can visit these websites and check if there is any relevant position related to your field. Before I go into the detail of finding position through the Twitter, let me show you that what are those documents which are required at initial screening. The first document which is very important to apply for any position is actually the cover letter or motivation letter, and the second document is of course resume or CV. And what are those documents which are required to submit any formal application to the university? Among them, the first one, you should have the passport, and the second one, you should have that your degree certificates. Similarly, you should have detailed mark certificates or transcripts. And similarly, you should have language proficiency, whether in the form of IELTS. Even some universities allow language proficiency certificate even from the local universities. And next are the two recommendation letter from your supervisors. And sometimes you also need the medical examination certificate. So in this video, I will cover only the first part, that how we can find the scholarship through the Twitter. You can see here is my Twitter profile. I will also recommend every student to maintain their Twitter profile regularly, and they can be in touch with their experts of their own field. Like here you can see I have developed my own profile, like I am postdoc fellow and working on the plant reproductive development, crop genetics. Like I am the editorial board member at BMC. Similarly, I have done my PhD in biochemistry and molecular biology. So in this way, you can follow those scientists who are working related to your. In this video, I will show you that how we can find PhD position related to biotechnology or related to genetics. So first of all, you can go to search button and you can write PhD position. Like if you want to find PhD position for your, here you can see, you can, after you will search this PhD position, you can go to this latest tab, and here you can see this scientist has published fully funded PhD position are available in the resilient urban networks. Here you can see, here are the detail. We can open it in the new tab, and here are a few more. Similarly, it's related fully funded PhD position, or this is the same which is already. Here you can see there is another one. We are hiring a graduate student for PhD position, and let me show you some more. Here you can see deciphering the metal isotope record, and here are, you can see scholarships PhD position in the genetics department at the University of Queensland, Australia. And here are, you can see the fully funded PhD position in life sciences at European Molecular Biology Laboratory in Germany. So we can go through them. And similarly, we can also feel, you can see here are the several PhD fellowships and position in all fields of life sciences in Switzerland. You can see these posts are almost shared just few hours ago. Only here you can see this is very good platform to find scholarship like AgriStock just 4 hours ago. Similarly, you can find and check one by one whether something is related to you or not. So here you can see these are those tabs which we have just opened. Here you can see here is the Scholarship Cafe which has just shared this position, and here is how to apply. You can see to be considered to apply for this scholarship you have to email to this professor with this university. You have to write cover letter and CV, and similarly you also need academic transcripts, and you should have your English proficiency certificates. In the later on videos I will show you that how you can professionally write your cover letter and how you can professionally design your CV to apply for those scholarship. And here if we go to the next step, you can see here we have the PhD fellowships in the position, and here is a procedure. You can see you can further check the detail at this link. So if you want to check further and want to apply, if you find, you can simply copy this link and you can open it the new tab and check one by one. So hopefully this way would be very helpful in finding master and PhD position related to your field. If you still have any question to use Twitter in finding position for your master or PhD degree, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.